how to find your Facebook username and user ID on Android. This tutorial shows you how to locate both your username and your unique user ID on Facebook. First, open Facebook on your Android device and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the home screen. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your profile page. From there, scroll down and tap on Profile Link. At this point, look at the link and whatever appears after facebook.com/ is your Facebook username. In the next step, go back to the home screen and tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. Following this, tap on Settings and Privacy and then tap on Settings. Once done, scroll all the way down until you find the Apps and Websites option under your Activity section and tap on it. From here, you'll see a list of apps and services connected to your Facebook account. Tap on any one of them. At this stage, scroll down within that app and look for a section that mentions a user ID followed by a random series of numbers. Finally, that number is your unique Facebook user ID. You can copy it from there whenever you need it. And that's it. If this Facebook guide helped you find your username and user ID, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.